Hello everyone, welcome to my new live stream on Gate.io. Today our topic is Get Live bonus task for trading USD1. So we can see Gate will add 9 spot trading pairs including BTC USDT and Ethereum USD1. So we can see all information about that. So you can see there July in July 2025 at 030726 UTC. So you can see there I can explain all the things of that you want to get. So I can telling about that too. Enrich trading options and enhance user experience. Get will add a new USD1 trading zone to the spot trading market at 0600 UTC on July 22, 2025 and launch the following USD1 trading pairs. Yeah, you can see there the pairs are short BTC to USDT trading pair and Ethereum to USD1 trading pair and so Lana to USD1 trading pairs. We can already open all that links. Means websites we can already open there, so I can tell you about that, and we can see all that information in the next. And we can see Solana to USD1 trading pair, B to USD1 trading pair, BNB to USD1 trading pair, TRX to USD trading pair, Dodge to USD1 trading pairs, and Sui to USD1 trading pair, and Eagle 1 to USD1 trading pairs. All the links I can open already. So we can move to next one and we can see all that links and explain. So trading starts July 22, 2025 at 0600 UTC. Gate will continue to launch more high quality trading pairs. Please and trade tuned for official announcement. Thank you for your support and trust in Gate. Gate in July 22, 2025, Gateway to crypto trade over 3,500 cryptocurrencies safely, quickly, and easily on Gate. And take action now. Sign up and claim up to 10,000 welcome rewards and invite friends and earn now 40% commissions. Stay connected. Visit Gate's official website and download the Gate app desktop. Follow us on X Twitter to get more bonuses and join our Telegram community to discuss trading topics and engage with our global community for the latest insights. Transparency and security check our 100% proof of results. So, first of all, we can say first link BTC to USD1 trading pair. I can open one BTC USD1 trading pair, so you can see the price of BTC is in USD1 is 1,15,382.5 USD1. And if we can see in BTC USDT, then the price of BTC is 1,15,426. So it means that the USD1, it means USD1 price is high to USDT. USDT price is low, but the USD1 price is high. That's why you can see the price of BTC is 1,15,377. Sorry, 94.3 USDT, and the changing percentage is 3,091.74.6 USDT market downward. Means 2.60% market downward. And in 24 hours, the highest price of US BTC USD1 is 1,19,442.2 USDT, and 24 hours the lowest price of BTC USD1 is 1,15,286.0 USDT. Sorry, 1,15,286.0 USD, and 24 hours the volume of BTC is 56.72, and the turnover 24 hours the turnover USD1 is 6.71 million. So we can see there the market is the start of USD1 July 21, 2025, and 23,000 UTC. The BTC USD1 market is start 21 July 2025. You can see there. So now market is continuously downward, and price reaching 1,15,308 to USDT. So we can go back to first page, and they open the next second link, Ethereum to USD1 trading pair. So we can open the Ethereum USD1. So you can see there the price of Ethereum USD1 is 3,598.74 USDT, and changing percentage is 48.87. Now USDT means 1.34 percent market downward, and 24 hours the highest price of Ethereum is 3,753.58 USDT, and 24 hours the lowest price of Ethereum is 3,533.63 USDT. And 24 hours the volume of ETH is 378.89, and 24 hours turnover USD1 is 1.39 million. So you can see the market is starting at that point. I can explain at that point 3,677.77 USDT at 22 July 2025 at 0000 UTC. The market of Ethereum in USD1 starting 22 July 22, 2025. And so now we can move to the next page. The next is Solana USD1. It means that the price of Solana is 177.57 USD1, and China percentage is 12.24 USD, means 6.45% market, 6.45% market downward, and 24 hour the highest price of Solana is 191.25 USD one, and 24 hour the lowest price of Solana is 176.09 USD one, and 24 hour the volume of Solana is 3.54K, and 24 hour the turnover USD one is 655.86K. So now you can see the market is mostly downward and price is 177 point 177.57 USD. So we can explain first of all BTC USD1, and the next is Ethereum USD1, and the third is Solana USD1. And now we can explain about Gold on USD1. The price of gold on is 0.5670 USD1, and change percentage is 0.0263 USD market upward, and means 4.81% market upward. And 24 hours, the highest price of gold on gold on USD1 is 0.5848 USD1, and 24 hours, the lowest price of gold on is 0.5328 USD1, and 24 hours, the volume of gold on is 501.54K, and 24 hours the turnover USD1 is 283.02K. And there you can see the price is 0.5730 USD1, which means the market is in a bullish trend, and the candle is in bullish. So market price upward. So that is all about the bold on. So we can see it's more information. Bold on is the BSC mascot of the building. Bold on is not just a meme. Has the face of BCSCS building culture in a chain run by bold builders. Bold on is the mascot, the momentum, and the momentum currently leading Royal USD1 construction on chain right now. Our core or living liquidity on unusable on chain asset as a member on BNB Smart Chain. Build on is the first project to embrace USD1, not as a narrative but as a mission actively pushing it forward. What is a mission actively pushing it forward with real liquidity and use case constructions. Uh, Launched the Build on USD1, trading fear hosting USD1, trading competitions and liquidity incentives. creating real scenarios for USD1 usage and on-chain functionality. This is not just a slogan, this just reviving USD1. He is building it with mission coordination and liquidity. So you can see the build on our information. So we can move for the next. We can go back and see. We can see build on, but now we can see BNB to USD one trading pair. We can open you can see the BNB USD one means Binance coin. BNB means Binance coin, and the price of Binance coin in USD1 is 757.7 USD1, and the change percentage is 19.5 USD1, and the market downward and 2.52% market is downward. 24 hour 24 hour, the highest price of BNB is BNB USD1 is 734.9 USD1, and 24 hour the lowest price of gold one BNB USD1 is 743.5 USD1, and 24 hour the volume of BNB is 294K, and 24 hours turnover USD1 is 2.26 million. So we can see about the market, and market is in a bearish trend continuously. I can explain about that continuously. The last 3 hours, market is downward. The market price is up or downward, but here you can see the price of BNB USD1 is mostly downward. The market is in a bearish trend and market is downward. So now we can move. Our next page is TRX, means Tron USD1. We can explain about that the market price changing percentage, 24 hour the highest price, and 24 hour the lowest price, 24 hour the volume of TRX, and 24 hours turnover USD1. So if we can see the price of USD1 TRX USD1 is 0.3115 USD1, and the change percentage is 0.0018 USD1, and means 0.57% market upward. And 24 hour, the highest price of USD1 is 0.3158 USD1. 24 hour, the highest price of the RX is 0.3158 USD1, and 24 hour, the lowest price of TRX is Mistron 0.3008 USD1, and 24 hours the turnover, 24 hours the volume of TRX is 6.32 million, and 24 hours the volume turnover USD1 is 1.97 million. So you can see there the market price is mostly downward and market is continuously downward. If we can explain about that, the market is mostly downward and the market is reaching 0.300 USD1 in that horse. So if you can trade on that, you can trade on short means bearish trend and the market is downward. But if we can see the price chart in 1 minute, there the market is mostly uh, still stable and not up or down. So you can see the price of TRX reaching 0.3115 USD1, and we can see one horse chart and move to our next page. The TRX USD1 main strong have complete that page. So we can move to our next page and open Dodge Dodge USD1 means Dodge Queen. The price of Dogecoin is in USD1 is 0.2226 USD1 and change percentage is 0.0206%. Market downward 8.50%. 24 hours. The highest price of Doge is 0.0222 for USD1 and 24 hours the volume of USD1 is 1.72 million. So we can analyze the market of Dodge and we can see continuously last 3 hour market is downward. You can see there the price of Dogecoin is reaching 0.2226 USD1. Market is mostly downward and reaching 0.2226 USDD, USD1, and that is all about the Doge USD1. We can see the in USD1 the market price is different, and in the so you can see market is in a bearish trend. Bearish trend means market downward. We can explain all the things of USD1 trading strategy. So we can move to our next page where and we can see SUI. So USD1, the price of SUI is 3.597 USD1 and the changing percentage is 0.150 USD 1 and 4.00% market downward. 24-hour the highest price 24-hour the highest price of SUI is 3.870 USD1 and 24-hour the lowest price of SUI is 3.5 38 S no 538 USD1 and 24-hour the volume of SUI is 389.99k and the 24-hour the turnover USD1 is 1.46 million. And if we can analyze the market of SUI, so you can see the price is reaching 3.607 USD1. The price is continuously downward. Price is continuously downward and reaching 3.604 USD. Market is in a bearish trend. So we can move and see the last trading pair of Eagle One. So USD1 is price of an Eagle 0.10649 USD1 and the change percentage is 0.00364 USD1 means 3.31% market is downward and 24-hour the highest price of Eagle one is 0.11219 USD1 and 24-hour the lowest price of Eagle one is 0.10562 USD1 and 24-hour the volume of Eagle one is 1.16 million and 24-hour the turnover USD is 125.39k. And we can see about the market overview and see that the market price of market price of Eagle lending USD1 is 0.10589 USD1 and market is in a bullish trend but the trend is mostly downward and market is nearly to bearish trend. Only few points are left to start the next trend is in a bearish trend. So everybody, thank you so much for joining my live stream. I am very glad to see you. I am very glad to see you on my live stream. Like my live stream and follow my account. I need your support. So we can see some more information and think that Eagle Landings EGL1 is the first superhero meme coin on BSC soaring straight out from four meme. Eagle 1 embodies the boyhood of American spirit and culture in full Marvel Comics glossary. America first, Eagle first. So we can see the websites of that and more information of USD1. This website uses cookies. We use cookies and tracking technologies to enhance your experience and analyze the site's to usage. Click accept to allow all cookies and tracking technologies or reject to decline non-estimated cookies. Learn more in our privacy policy. Thank you so much. Dear Gate user for joining my live stream. Thank you so much. Abu Malal, thank you so much dear for joining my live stream. Thank you so much. So you can see about the USD1 and we can see accept and saying that USD1 the dollar upgraded digital dollars sustain stable coins that are expected both on chain and in the real world. Get the USD1 now. It's still the USD dollar word for a new era. Stable and fully black backed. USD1 is redeemable 1 ratio 1 for US dollars. USD1 is backed by dollars and US treasuries that have the full faith and credit of the US government. So multi-chain supported on multi-chain blockchain network for easy adoption and integration. Built for business and developers, USD1 is broadly available to institutions, individuals, and DeFi participants. Widely available, USD1 settles on chain in seconds worldwide anytime 24 by 7. Reduce costs, make accessible global payments, and transparent research, full transparency with monthly audited reports. Get USD1 from our trusted partners and protocols. Number one is Binance, and the second one is Gate.io, and the next is Bybit, and PancakeSwap, and BitGet, and Uniswap. See, I'll provide the get in touch about mining. Got USD1, let's get things moving. If you are already hold USD1, take advantages of your net tools to bridge or swap your tokens. Bridge easily and securely transfers your USD tokens between integrated networks too. And swap quickly convert other cryptocurrencies for USD1 and back again. So we can move to next and seeing that solving real problems one use case at a time. Cross-border payments move money faster and cheaper with nearly instant settlement in USD1. Global dollar access brings secure and reliable digital dollar stablecoin to users around the global and swap executed and transaction sent, deposit complete, browser complete, payment received, swap executed, transaction sent. That is all about you can see there are moving transactions and deposits complete, was the power complete, payment received, swaps stamp. So we can see DeFi and capital marketing leverage USD1 for lending, borrowing, and digital assets trading. Transparent, secure, stable. USD1 is 100% backed by US cash and cash equivalents to help ensure stability and liquidity at all times. Monthly report USD1 results reports are published for transparency purpose only and when published on a monthly basis. View reports ABRA May and the regulatory reports and proof reserves and fully redeemable for USD1. Burned away multi-chain USD1 is available on leading blockchain networks with more integrations on the way. Ethereum token standard ERC20 and the mainnet address are given there. And Binance Chain token standard BP20 and Binance mainnet address is shown there. And Tron token standard is TRC20. Bridge USD1, your questions answer. What is USD1? USD1 is a stablecoin redeemable on a 1:1 base for the US dollar. USD USD1 is 100% backed by a reserves containing short-term US government treasures, US dollar deposit, and other cash equivalents, and all such receive assets are held or maintained by a GetGo Trust Company, INC, or South Dakota Chartered Trust Company, BitGo Trust, and or the by BitGo Technologies LLC, are federally registered money services Binance and the state licensed money transmitter. BitGo attached together with BitGo Trust and their other affiliates. BitGo issue USD1 and World Liberty Financial Inc. and its affiliated entities on the World Liberty Financial USD1 brand and provides certain services. BitGo process all initial purchases and reductions of USD1 and provides the related technical infrastructure and services. How is USD1 fallback to be 1:1 with the US dollar? Every USD1 is circulations is backed 1:1 by assets held in reserves by Bitcoin, primarily in US government, money market funds, and other cash equivalents For more information, please see the research report. And the third question is, can I convert my USD1 into fiat currency? Eligible customers of a BitGo may redeem the USD1 for an equivalent amount of USD directly from BitGo. Other holders of USD1 may be able to exchange USD1 via the various exchange platform and regulated custodians that have agreed to support the exchange of USD1 for USD subject of their terms and eligibility requirements. Where can I use USD1? We expect that USD1 will be usable across a wide range of platforms, exchanges, multiple chains, and expected at retail locations. It will also be integrated into WLFI's DeFi protocols, where subject to eligibility holders may engage in a variety of activities with USD1, including lending and borrowing once operational. We are working to actively build out the ecosystem to make USD1 as well widely accessible as possible. So the last question is. Are USD reserves examined? USD once reserves will be periodically examined by an independent third-party firms to confirm that every issues and outstanding USD1 is backed by an equivalent amount of reserves assets. Yeah, we can see all information about the. We can see there USD1 is always redeemed by eligible USD1 holders on a 1:1 basis for US dollars and backed by reserves of US dollars and US treasuries that have the full faith and credit of the US government. A USD1 holder who acquires USD1 is the secondary market is required to complete a BitGo so onboarding requirement before they can redeem USD. Bridge services is a third-party services provided solely by Link CCIP directly between wallet holders and Link CCIP. No legal tax, investment, or other advice is provided by any entity. Please consult your legal tax and investment professional for questions about your specific circulations. Digital assets are subject to several risks, including price volatility. Transactions transacting in digital assets could result in significant losses and may not be stable for some consumers. Digital assets market and exchange are not regulated with the same controls or customers protections available with other forms of financial products are as a subject and evolving regulatory environment. Digital assets do not have legal tender status and are not covered by the deposit protections insurance. The past performance of digital assets is not a guide for future performance, nor is it a reliable indicators of funds results of performance. Additional disclosures we have found open that links so access to their sources that arrived on the web and they may be restricted by laws and regulations is certain jurisdictions applicable legal requirements may prevent certain visitors from being solicited or avoid content searches. Please note that the searches described on this website are intended of in form eligible customers and do not consi- constitute an offer to transact business with this. Services described here are only intended be offered to eligible customers. Services. Bitcoin and tenders are affiliated with World Liberty Financial Agency or entitled to interests and on the services assets below backing USD1 pursuant to agreement between this entity, DM Marks SC LLC, and entity affiliated with Donald J. Trump and certain of his family members has in direct economic interest through majority equity ownership is an affiliated of World Liberty Financial Agency, which is entitled of its interest. Just one held a minute by BitGo, any reference of squares of imaginary attribute to associated with the Donald J. Trump or his family members should not be constructed as an endorsement or representation or warranty with the effect of any products or services offering USD1 is being offered by BitGo and World Liberty Financial Agency and their respective affiliate. USD1 is not political or associated with any political campaigns. So we can see all the World Liberty Financial USD1 and we can see its Twitter account. The Twitter account of USD1 is have 287 posts uh, and the name is WLFI World Liberty 5. You can see World Liberty 5 is building the features of finance. USD1 is just an institution. USD1 is just the beginning, trusted by users, institutions, and everyone is between. So you can see the account of USD1 means that the world liberty and all the informations are stored there. That's why I can explain about that, and I can tell you about that. If you get any new information, you can follow Twitter account of World Liberty FI of USD1. So we can move to our next is get Launchpool. Launchpool quick staking and potential network tokens. 400 no, 476.0 million USDT staked and 32.37 billion funds raised and 5.92 million plus participants and 705.1K USDT estimated total reward and all is ongoing is 7 upcoming 1 and ended 282. So we can say ongoing ELP has launched into both ELP pool and GT pool. So every coins are launching in many pools, one to many pools. So we can see And Nico have also launched into Pool, the GT Pool and Nico Pool. And the next is MBG is also uh, MBG is also launching into Pool, the ATS Pool and MBG Pool. And the next is esports have also launched into pools, BTC pool and esports pool. And ZKWSM have also two pools, the ZKWSM pools and USDD pools. And Taker have also two pools, the GT pool and Taker pool. And the next is ES have three pools. Launching in three pools, EOS is launching in three pools. One is BTC pool, the next is the Ethereum pool, and the last is EOS pool. So that is all about the launch pool, and now we can move to the next and see how to participate in Gate Launch Pool. How to participate in Gate Launch Pool? Gate Launchpool is an innovative staking and airdrop platform where users can stake GTBTC, ATH, USDT, or other tokens to earn whole airdrops of hot and new coins with low entry barriers and high APR. It's the ultimate platform for effortlessly capturing market opportunities. How to join Get Launchpool and stake to earn? Log into your Get account and navigate to Launchpool, and on the app you can click Home and Launchpool, and on the website you can click Earn and Launchpool. Choose the staking pool you want to join, click Stake and enter the staking amount, click Confirm and complete staking. View reward is after successful staking. So you can see the screenshot about that. If you can yes, stake on how to stake to earn on app, you can see that screenshot, and if you can stake how to stake to earn on the website, so you can see that screenshot. Note: please complete identity verification before participating in launch pool to enhance the security of your account and assets. The assets, the staked assets will transfer to simple and by default. If this option is unchecked, the staked assets will be redeemed into spot assets. They will take multiple snapshots of personal staking amount each hour, and you can increase your staking assets at any time. Please maintain stable staking amounts to ensure mining rewards. So we can see the related article get Launchpool FAQs. Get Launchpool FAQ. What is Get Launchpool? Get Launchpool is an innovative staking and airdrop platform where user can stake GT, BTC, ETH, USDT, or other tokens to earn wholly airdrop of hot and new coins with low entry barriers and high APR. It's the ultimate platform for effortlessly capturing market opportunities. So how can I participate in Get Launch Pool? First, log into your Get account and navigate to the Get Launch Pool page. Then choose the project you want to participate in and stake your assets. Which coin can I stake in Get Launch Pool? The token eligible for participants will be announced on the mining page in each project. Please visit the corresponding page of Get Launch Pool to view more details. How many tokens will be rewarded? All the staking reward is equal to individual interest one or valid staking amount divided by total pool staking amount multiple only reward pool. The platform will take multiple snapshots of personal staking amounts each hour and take the average of staking amount as the valid staking amount. How a reward distributed? The platform will take multiple snapshots of personal staking amounts wholly, and token rewards are distributed to eligible users wholly, and will be distributed into users' spot accounts. When will the staked assets be redeemed? After the user redeemed is advanced or the staking is complete, the staked assets will be transferred to simply and by default. If this option is unchecked, the staked assets will be redeemed into spot assets. If amount is redeemed assets is too small and does not meet the mining claim amount to simple and the assets will be automatically transferred to spot assets. If simple and does not support the claim of the redeemed tokens, the assets will also be automatically transferred to spot assets. Can I redeem my staked assets at any time? The platform will take multiple snapshots. The platform will take multiple snapshots of personal staking amount each hour and calculate the wallet staking amount. However, early redemptions were staking amount. However, early redemptions may result in loss of occurred or rewards placement and stable staking amounts to ensure mining rewards. Can add additional staking assets? You can encourage your assets at any time. The more tokens you stake, the greater your potential mining reward. However, once the reward cap is reached, you will no longer receive stake the reward. Can participate in multiple projects at the same time? When there are multiple launchpool projects going at the same time, you can stake in different pools to receive new tokens mining reward for multiple projects. Each staking pool needs to be staked separately. If you only stake assets in pool A, you will not be able to obtain rewards from pool B. You can stake pool A and pool B separately to obtain the corresponding mining rewards of new tokens. What is the maximum mining reward I can receive? The hourly reward hard cap per users for each project is different. Once the cap is reached, no further staking reward will be granted. Please refer to the relevant announcement or the mining page for the reward hard cap limit to each project. Will staking assets in the Gate Launch Pool impact my VIP level? No assets staked in the Gate Launch Pool is included in the assets holding calculation of HODLer Airdrop Launchpad and VIP Link. What will happen to my funds if the project is ended early? In case of early ending, your stakes principal will be automatically redeemed as soon as the project is ended and your last interest will be distributed on the hour after the end time. The interest distribution as soon the project is ended and your last interest will be distributed on the hour after the end time. The interest distribution before the ending will not be affected. About annual percentage rate APR, When the reward coin is the staked coin, APR is equal to total reward left in the last hour divided by last hour total staked multiple 365 multiple 24 multiple 100%. When the reward coin is not the staked coin, APR is equal to total reward released in the last hour multiple closing price of the reward coin of the last hour divided by last hour total staked multiple closing price of the staked coin of the last hour multiple 365 multiple 24 multiple 100%. The APR is an estimated and for reference only. The actual annualized return you are finally receive shall prevail. The APR data is updated hourly. And the next is HODLer airdrop. The hold GT and get massive airdrop for free. 0.00 airdrop receives and 128.0 million cumulative airdrops and 17.67 million total airdrops and 111.68 million plus participants. 274 projects are launched in HODLer airdrop and 2 in progress. Upcoming 0 and ended is 272. So we can see in progress LN total airdrop is 5 lakh LN and participants is 11,272 and for GT is 0.1689 LN and in 00 or 00 minutes. And any arrow Nero have a total airdrop 5 million Nero and participants is 13,755 and per GT is 0.7898 narrow and ends in a 2 day 12 hours 03 minutes. FAQs how to participate in a HODLer airdrop. As long as your GT holding in a gate account is no less than one, you can participate and receive airdrop without looking or staking GT. Which account can GT holding will be included in the calculation. Total GT holding is a unified accounts, spot accounts, isolated margin accounts, copy trading accounts, boards accounts, financial accounts, and payment accounts. However, GT is crypto loan and GT2 are excluded. How is your airdrop amount calculated? Once you join the project, the system will take your GT holding, taking multiple random snapshot every hour to calculate your average holding. Your final reward is based on your average holding during the entire project period. If your average holding are below 1 GT, you will not receive any reward. Final token received is equal to your average only holding divided by all participants. Average only holding multiple total airdrops amount. What is per GT? Budget is an estimated value indicating the number of airdrop tokens you could receive by participating in the HODLer airdrop project with 1GT and holding it until the end of the project. Please note that per GT will change based on the total airdrop amount and the GT holding of all participants is updated wholly. What are my holding counted differently across projects? The system uses a random snapshot to calculate your average holding depending on when you join each project. The calculated average holding may vary in theory. If your holding amount remains constant, your average holding should be the same across all projects you participate in. What is the individual participation cap? Different projects have different individual participation limits. You can check the detailed page of the event announcement of more information. Can I participate in multiple projects at the same time? You can participate in multiple projects. How will the airdrop rewards be distributed? The airdrop will be calculated and distributed within 1 hour after the project ends. You can check it anytime in Launchpool HODLer airdrop participation history. So that is all about the HODLer airdrop, and now we can see how to participate in HODLer or Get HODLer airdrop. How to participate in Get HODLer airdrop? HODLer airdrop is an exclusive free airdrop event for users holding GT, BTC, ADH, USD. Holding GT get tokens, users only need to hold no less than 1 GT to claim free airdrops. The more GT holding, the more airdrop reward. How to join GateLive Airdrop and claim free airdrops? Log into your account and navigate to HODLer Airdrop. And on the app, you can click on HODLer Airdrop. On the website, you can click on HODLer Airdrop and select the in progress the project. Click participate number and participate. Participation result can be viewed in the airdrop record of the project claim. You can see how to claim free airdrop at HODLer Airdrop on the app. This the first screenshot is on the app, and the next screenshot is how to claim free airdrop on the web. So we can move. Our last topic is super commission. Invite friends and earn up to 40% commission on together as your friend trade roles. Invite friends and join get and share up to 40% commission referral Carnival and sign up and win up to 10,000 USDT 10,000 plus USDT reward. You can scan QR and you can copy referral code and links and copy download Telegram, WhatsApp, Twitter, feedback, LinkedIn, line and email. You can share there, and we can see commission ratios for 30%. Your share and friends you invite share is 7%, alpha 30% your share and friends 10%. Friends your invited shares and features 20% your shares and 0% friends you invited shares. Data overview: 0 USDT you are earned, 0 spot, 0 alpha, 0 features, and total refer 0 verified deposits and fast, and 25.06 USDT total trading volume, and spot is 25.06 and alpha is 0. Referral history or no data, and commission history no data. So that is all about the referral carnivals. So about today, I can explain all the things of USD1 and how many coins are USD1 is in launched. So you can see Gate will add 9 spot trading pairs. You can see BTC US. We can see for BTC to USD1 trading pair, Ethereum to USD1, Solana to USD1, Bulldog to USD1, and BNB to USD1, and TRX to USD1, Doge U to USD1, and Sui to USD1, and EGL equal to USD1 trading pair. We can explain all that links. You can see there BTC to USD1, Ethereum to USD1, and the next is Solana to USD1, and the next is Bulldon to USD1, and the next is BNB, and we can see there TRX, and the next is Dogecoin USD1, and the Sui USD1, and the last is Eagle 1 means Eagles lending USD1. All that nine are we can explain. So if you have any questions, so you can send me a message and I will give you answers. If you have any question, please send me a message. I am waiting for your questions. I can explain all the things of USD1. So if you have any questions, so please send me. It means you have not any questions, so you cannot send me a message. That way I can stop my live stream and I can complete my that project. So thank you so much for joining my live stream. and take care of yourself. Thank you so much, everybody. Thank you so much for joining my live stream. Thank you.